Hello everybody, it's me, Alexander Turnbull from René, Paris and Aderans. Today I am joined with one of my new favourite wigs. This is Sybil, ladies and gentlemen, and this is Sybil from the Amore Collection, and she's beautiful. This colour is simply white. Look at Sybil's as if you were going to an event or you had something on and you wanted to do something quick, easy, but that looks really effective. So, out of shot, I have bought this. How gorgeous is that? It's like got black chains on it, black roses, like a little pearl, and I really like that. I think it's like quite rock chic, you know, really nice. And against that white, the simply white looks amazing. So I'm going to do something really simple, but quite effective. So first, I'm going to put like a little flower crown. Okay, now I've not figured out whether I like this one pearl yet, but of course, if I do that, I can kind of make it like a bit of a feature, you know, so all I want to do, and again, guys, ahead of time, I took the bun ring and I've loaded it up with bobby pins, just to make sure that I'm ready to go. I'm very simply just taking a bobby pin, and in between the black roses, I'm literally this simple. In between those black roses, I'm just going to tuck that hair over, like so. So this, guys, is so simple to do at home. And, you know, if you are wearing the shorter wigs, and, you know, I hear it a lot. People wear the shorter wigs, and so it's great to wear, Alexander, the different styles are doing the longer bits, but what can we do for the shorter stuff? So this is what you can do, and I think this is, you know, this kind of styling works really nice if you are going to a festival or a wedding or, you know, whichever. So you can take all that off the face. I actually quite like, I think I'll take a little bit more, you know. But again, when you're styling hair, ladies and gents, and you're doing things on your clients and on yourself, and, you know, whichever you know, if you are doing it, at the end of the day, if you feel great with it, that's the best. That's the best. If you feel $1 million, that's when it's working for you. Okay, so again, just going to take another bobby pin. And ladies and gentlemen, this styling is that simple. Just wanting to do something really different, spice this wig up a little bit, give it a little bit of difference with the flower crown. And so just taking this, and it, like I said, like the other side, in between those black roses, in between the black roses, like so, I just grips up, okay, like that, so, and I'm just going to do that one more time. And again, I mean, I'm using my camera like a mirror, you know, like a mirror. So I'm always looking in the camera and just seeing what looks best, how well it's sitting, if it balances, you know, it's looking really cool actually. And pin that last piece of hair into the style. That's it. That is it. That's simple. Okay, so let's take a little look at what we've done here. So here's Sybil, okay, in simply white, which just looks beautiful. Now you could, if you wanted, tuck all of that hair in there and lose the band, but it's not necessary. It looks quite cool actually, you know, seeing that in there. And that's a little dress up. That could really dress this style up if you were going to a festival or, so yeah, anything, music event, anything. I like these black roses against the white. What contrast would you do if you were doing this at home? And if you do any styling with the new Sybil or any like mid-length or short wigs that are similar, please send in your photos because we'd love to see. Okay, so from me, Alexander Turnbull here at René, Paris and Aderans, thanks for tuning in. Remember, follow us on all forms of social media and tell us what you think of Sybil and this styling. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.